guys, so today we're going to unbox our new parcel from Lazada. It's our Havaiana shoes. Ay, Havaiana. Hi guys, so today we're going to unbox our new Ipanema slippers from Lazada, Philippines. Let's go! What's up guys? Did you see my new parcel? You know what's this? This is my new Ipanema slippers. Let's get started. Let's open the box. Hi guys. So these packages had been lying around 4 days. Like I have 3 different packages here. 2 from Celine, 1 from Lazada. Since school already started for me, I wasn't able to have the time to even bother to unbox it or something like that. But just a while ago when I was eating dinner, I was staring at those packages right there at the table. And I just suddenly thought, okay, I'm just gonna unbox this. Let's see what's inside. So let's go. Are we going to open first the Lazada or the Celine? I'm thinking of opening the Lazada one first since, you know, mystery surprises are fun. What did my mama just buy for me? Okay, first layer out. Again, the bubble wrap is in black, but it's usually transparent. It's now black. Why is it black though? Open this. Whoa. Nice one! It's an Ipanema slipper. Oh, not just one box. It has 2 boxes of Ipanema. What color is this? Let's see. Let's check out. Okay, this one's color gray. It looks good. Not just a slipper. It's like a sandal. This one, just stay here first. What's in the second box? Same design but only in black gold. So the question is, are these slippers both mine? Or are these both mama slippers? And are we supposed to have 1 pair each? Nice one! So both of them are now mine! This looks too good to be a house slipper. I think this looks the best to bring this outside, of course. Because what's the use of buying brand new slippers when you just confine them to your house? And also this looks good with dresses that are color gray, black, and actually any color will do. This looks like sandals. I don't know what's inside this Celine paper bag, and now we're going to open them, and I think it would be as nice since my mama's the one who picked the shoes. She's the one who even tried it on first. So wow! High heels. High heels, 1 brown. But technically, this is a good one because just 1 inch. But looks nice. They so dainty. Makes you feel like a princess, even on casual occasions. So, what's the next stage though? Let's think the next. What to do the next? Oh, okay. I have an idea. Let's try them on. Now let's try on our shoes. So which one should we try first? The Celine or the Ipanema? Oh, first one out, first one to try. So we have to try the Ipanema. We have to unchain these two together, but we can try it efficiently. Here's a price tag also, the original price. Also guys, this is an original Ipanema, bought from the Bamboo flagship in Lazada. So what I'm wearing is legit. So let's try this on. Apologies for my birthmark. Then first let's show my feet. Oh, it fits me well. Seems comfy to wear. You know, this looks like the Egyptian style, like Egyptian sandals back in the day. The design, it's really classy, and it's, you know, and it's versatile enough. Next, let's try the black one. Soft. Oh, it's also the same. This is the original price. So cool. This is black and gold. Great combination. And this looks like a sand. This is more dressier than the other one. That one is more casual. This is dressier. Good for summer parties. Summer semi-formal parties. And of course, since it's Ipanema, it's comfortable to wear. Since we're done trying our Ipanema slippers, let's try our more formal and classier Celine heels or sandals. So let's try the brown one first. Heels are in the vogue already. So wearing these will make you feel like you're on the runway. Actually, it's only one of my first times to wear heels, since I used to prefer flats. Now I also like heels. When I turned 18, I learned how to love heels, since inevitably you'll need to get used to it in the future. These sandals look good on peach, cream, beige, and light colored dresses, and also good for some palazzos, or aka the wide leg pants. These also look good there, as long as you have a semi-neutral top or the bright color yellow. Also looks good here. This comfortable, unlike pointed heels. Let me try to stand up and walk on them. Great for marching too. Okay, let's try on the cream one, the cream kitten heel. Kitten heels are the 1-inch heels, while chunky heels or standard heels are 2 to 3 inches high. Let's try it on just like Cinderella's glass slipper. This is the other shoes. I love this. This is more comfortable and dainty. For some reason, this looks more formal. And the color is bright. This also looks good for neutral tones, but we can say that it's more versatile compared to the brown sandals. No hate on the other one, but seriously, see. Also, the short heel makes it appropriate for walking around and for casual wear. So we're finally done with unboxing and trying on our brand new sandals after a few days. If you want to see more content from my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. See ya all in our next vlog. So guys, I was keeping my shoes and then I just discovered this spare soles for my kitten heels. When I'm already packing, that's the only time I discovered this. Oh my good gee. So I think this would come in handy in the future when these soles would be all worn up.